Today on Nerdolyfic, we're going to look at what conditional formatting is. Conditional formatting is a way of changing formats of cells based on specific criteria. This can range from changing the font, the color, the borders, a number of different things. You can set the conditional formatting to look for specific criteria. This includes cells based on their values, cells that contain specific data, format top or bottom ranked values in a range of colors, format only values that are above or below average, format only unique or duplicate values, or you could also use extensive formulas that determine which cells to format in what way. Now in this series of videos, we're going to take a deep dive look into every single one of these concepts. The one that will be most challenging is using the formulas. So stay tuned for upcoming videos on more details on how you can use conditional formatting. Thanks for joining Nerdolyfic today. I'll see you soon.